Okay, so I wanted to try to make a short video on the one's light and how a lot of people have been asking me about the one's light on how to use it, how to protect themselves against shadow beings or alien abductions, frequency attacks, harp attacks, psi attacks, anything like that. Right? This is what it works for because it's a defense weapon that you can use. Um, so here we go. Okay, well, I'm doing this video for the second time because my audio cut out on me when I first tried doing it. I spent like 20 minutes making this, 20 minutes talking, and all lost. Couldn't use any of it. There's nothing, no audio, nothing there. Probably don't want to hear that, but shit happens sometimes. So, anyways, we're going to talk about the one's light on how to use it. A lot of people have been asking me about it, and I'm like, okay, I thought I had a video up here on YouTube, but I guess I don't. So, I'm putting one up here. And you guys can learn about what I do and how I do it. And I've been using it for about 6 or 7 years now. The one's light. It's been working really well. It works on the basic stuff. That's what I'm going to teach you guys, the basic stuff. The more advanced stuff is what I do because I'm, using it to help me with the nine and all the stuff that they've been doing with me, and it's been pretty rough. They've been trying every different thing they can try on me, right, for the last 6 months. But this stuff is the basic stuff. So, and how to protect yourself, if you have shadow beings coming at you, you're seeing, I don't know, aliens, gray aliens, whatever you're seeing near you, mostly shadow beings at night or whatever. And it also works on harp frequency attacks. And it works on other psi attacks. Um, the radio frequencies that they use, like harp, that, a lot of people get, they affect their emotions or affect their body. It also helps against that, what's that called? Havana syndrome. If you ever look that up, when they're using frequency weapons against you, this seems to work against that as well. It shuts down the frequencies usually for it. So let's. I have a list. Made a. I wrote this out not that long ago, probably about last year. Posted this up by Facebook channel and tried to pin it there. And it's called the One's Light and a Defense Measure. And I'm not going to read this go through, but I'm going to explain it on the One's Light and how you got to use it. And it has to do with when you want to use the One's Light, you have to speak it aloud. You can't think it in your head. You have to speak it aloud, and you call in the One's Light. And you you imagine how it works is basically how I do it. I'll explain how I do it. I go and I when I talk to the one, or I ask for the one for something like the light, I'll say I see the one as like dad, right? So I use that word as well, right? And some people, religious people, they're thinking, oh, that's God and all this stuff. Well, in a way, kind of, it's a prime source, creator kind of weird stuff, right? It's not what's in the religion. It's not what's in the Bible. It's not any deity on this planet. Let's just say that. Okay. All right. So get that out of the way. Because if you're going to ask these other deities, you're not going to get shit, right? It's not going to work for you. So how I do it as I go, I'll take my hands and I'll reach them out and I'll say, "One's light, Dad's light, across this universe." And I imagine my hands reaching out as big as the universe, and I pull in this light, right? And I pull it in, and I make it into, like, as I imagine it's like a snowball, right? And you know how you compact a snowball? You pull that in, you squish it down in one hand as tight as you can, right? And then what you do is you have the target. Now, let's say there's harp ham waves or harp psi waves from somewhere hitting you. You can feel it, feeling your body, emotion, heart, wherever. And you say, find whatever is hitting me, follow it back from its original source, and shut it down. and then I throw the light at it. Imagine, go, throw the light, and I imagine it hitting the target, and then I say the word spark, or I say the word ignite. I When I learned about this on how I figured out all this weird shit that I was going on, these are the things that I heard on how the techniques on how to use this. And when I first did it, I was like, I was starting out as big as the world, or big as the earth. And I eventually progressed to as big as the universe. I realized, okay, I should be going as big as the universe. The bigger, the better, right? When it comes to the strength and the compacting of it. And compacting it down, sometimes I would say compress this down as much as the force of a neutron star. If you look that shit up, that imagination, the compression is pretty crazy. So I do that, and I realize that you have to speak the words aloud when you say this. You cannot think this in your head, like I said before. Then what you do is this light is like a grenade, right? A compression grenade, what you want to call it, compression light bomb. So when you throw it, it'll go directly to the target instantly. And and then when you spark it, it sparks it, it ignites. Now I've had tons of success by doing this for myself. When I first started doing this, that's when there were shadow beings. I was seeing them in the daytime. They were, I could see them out of the corner of my eyes. I'd wake up, I'd see them standing in my room. But this wasn't astral. I was seeing these beings, these shadow beings. I'd see them in my outside, standing in my doorway, and I got to the point where that's when I learned about the light, learning how to protect myself because they were coming around too much. And ever since I started hitting them with the light, they don't come around my home no more. I don't see them no more at all. But it should work, especially a lot of people have these experience of these beings showing up in their bedroom at night. I made videos about that. And a lot of the videos I talk about, you got to go through all my videos and look at the descriptions, and I talk about it all. I'm not going to talk about it all here because I've already made those videos. You can find them because it's a long, like some of my videos are 20 minutes long, 25 minutes long, right? I got like 50, 60 videos. So that's a lot of stuff to go through. And if you want to go through it. So, but it's basically that's it. The way I explain it in this diagram. I mean, in these words and how I describe it, how to do it, how many times to do it. Sometimes I do it at a 12-hour intervals. Now, I do it twice a day to three times a day, and then sometimes I do it 3 or 4 times a day, depending on for me because it hit me a lot. So, and they hit some of the people around me, and I explain this isn't new age bullshit stuff. New age. This isn't love and light. This is not love and light. Don't mix it up with love and light. I did that. I thought, oh, what if I use love and light? That didn't work at all. This is a weapon. You're not throwing love at these things. You're throwing a bomb, a light bomb at them to get rid of them. So yeah, this is not love and light. Love and light don't work. I was trying to explain that to people and saying people are saying, "All you need is love and do this stuff." No, 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 no. That's what you need for people. People, you share your love with people, not these beings. These beings, your love ain't gonna hurt them, right? You use love for your power to strengthen yourself, right? What does a guy do, or what do we do? Like I'm a man, right? I'm gonna go protect the people that I care about, the people that I love. That's what I'm gonna fight for, right? It's the same thing. I'm not gonna go out and fight somebody and say I love you, right? It's a this is a fight, right? And it's a defense. It's like defense. This light is a defense thing because they're the ones that if they're attacking you, then you shut them down. All right, so I tried to make this shorter because the one I did before was way longer, but this is better. I like this. I think this will help you guys a lot, and it's not so long, and you can skip through it if you have to. All right. And if you got any questions, put them in the comments down below, and I'll see if I can address them and give you some answers. All right. And don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube. I'm trying to grow my channel. I have lots of people on Facebook, but I got nobody on YouTube. So subscribe to me if and then you can check out new videos that comes out. Anything I figure out. All right. Later.